Alright, this is how to go to your online edition of SketchUp. So if you don't have it on your desktop, it looks like this icon right here. Little red and white steps. You can always troubleshoot, or the workaround is to go to the online edition. However, there's a couple of steps for that. You gotta use Google Chrome is the best way to get there. Once you do that, you can go to Edmodo, sign into that. It should be your alpha code and birthday to sign into Edmodo. You do not need to sign up for a new account. You just need to use the one you already have. Once you get there, the latest post, it has right here, Google SketchUp Online Edition. You can click this link right here, or you can click on this picture. It will take you to the same place. So you click on it, and it will say a couple things, learn more or start modeling. We want to start modeling. You can click more if you like. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to take you to this sign-in screen. This one's a little bit different than ones you're used to. Right, you're going to use your alpha code at vcs2go.net. So it's either going to be a 1 or a 2, depending on your alpha code. @ VCS number 2 go.net, N-E-T, not .com. Or if you have a Google account, like a Gmail, you can sign up with that. But you have to be able to get into that account. So if you forgot how to sign into it, then you cannot use that one. Just use your school email. Put next. Alright, so now you're going to put your first name, last name, but the password, alright, is a little bit different than what you're used to. Usually you can put like your birthday, right, your 8-digit birthday, and it says, oh, this time you got to have a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters and a special character, just one or more. But special characters are these examples right here, right? And then you got to prove that you're not a robot. So you got to check that little box. And it'll give you like a little task for you to do, like click the stoplights or click the cars or something. And then you click create new account. All right, once you click create new account, you got to go back and go to your school email. So you're going to go online, go to the Volusia County Schools homepage, or however else you get to vPortal. Click on vPortal. If you're signed in, it should take you automatically to this screen where all your apps are. Some of you might already have your Outlook webmail. This is your email. If you don't, that's okay. You can go to Office 365. Click on that one. This is going to give you all your Office apps. So like if you got like an assignment that you need a Word document or a PowerPoint or Excel spreadsheet, you can go to any of these. But we're going to go and check our email. You can click on that and click the link to verify your account here. Once you're done with that, you sign in. You're good to use the online edition of SketchUp. Okay. So any updates and other posts will be right here for you on your Edmodo account. And if you missed anything, you can go back and rewatch any of these recordings. And that is about it.